You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing words like this one. Can you pronounce it? You will in a second. How do you say it? Inextricably. Inextricably. Stress on the second syllable. Sorry about that. Inextricably. Inextricably. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. It helps. Thanks for that. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.